In this video, I'm going to show you about a project I just recently did for a client. The goal of the project for this one was to take this list of 2,000 plus. I condensed it to show you the concept of it, but it was about a list of 2,136 different URLs. And those URLs, we had to decide if these activities could be personalized or customized, and is a private tour activity, i.e. no strangers, just whatever the group was, and possibly the max number of customers. So instead of going through what the concept was to go to each one of these websites and look to see if it would answer any of these questions. So we'd scroll down, look at the overview, the inclusions. As you can see, we'd have to scroll through this, and it does take some time, and what to expect. And you see an itinerary, and we can see that it doesn't do this. And right here it says this tour is limited to 15 activity, maximum of 15 travelers. So we can see that it, on this one, it would be a no and a no, but the max number was provided, so we'll put 15. As you can see, to do 2,000 of these would probably take hours upon hours, and the gig wasn't very much. So what I decided to do was to speed this process up. And what I was looking for was things that indicated it was a private or customizable. So as time went on, I looked at it. Oh, look, private guide for more personalized experience. I'm seeing this in this area of the overview. So what I did was I used R to scrape the program, which I already did, and I'll just bring up the scrape. Here's the formula, what I did. And what it would do was scrape the site and make a database for me of all 2,000. So I would put the 2,232 website URLs through this script. It would go to the site. It would look for keywords like private guide, self-guided, personalized, and it would say, yes, that was in there. And then it would go down to additional information, and it would look for this word right here, because all the private tour activities had this keyword. So the goal of this project was to get 200 of each. 200 of this one and 200 of this one. They could be mixed and match, and this one was optional if it was there. It took me about 20 minutes to write the code, and once I ran it, it took about a few minutes to run. I got all the information I needed, and by the end of it, 2,000 were answered with yes or no, and submitted the work to the person. Less than an hour, which would normally take people probably hours upon hours of going through. Some caveats with this: it would only say yes, it wouldn't say no, it couldn't say no. So if any of them didn't have an answer, I left it blank, and I explained to them, hey, I couldn't find proof that this was no, but I was able to prove that these ones were yes. In the end, there was about 1,300 yeses for is this a private activity, and there was only about 900 of the personalized preferences. Sent it off to client. They were very excited about it, and all done with the power of using R and writing a simple script that went through everything to find the answers that they expected people to do manually. So this is a recap of what I did for the project. What I did was I went to the website, looked for the words like this, ran the R script, built a script, ran it, got a database that answered all these questions, submitted it. Oh, here we go. Submitted it with over half of them answered with a yes in a matter of an hour. This is one of the easiest ways you can use tools like R or Python to scrape websites to knock out something very quickly that would take hours to do. That is it for this video. I got more videos coming to explain kind of what I did on my portfolio. If you like this, Please let me know if you need help building something like this. Please reach out to me. I'm on LinkedIn most of the time. And if you have any suggestions on how to make this faster, please let me know.